What if I told you that one bad investment decision could erase years of hard work? My name is Douglas, and I'm a proud member of Creative Impact. In this video, we're uncovering the biggest investment mistakes of all time. Mistakes that cost people millions, destroyed portfolios, and delayed financial freedom. These are not just history lessons. They're warnings, because understanding what went wrong is the fastest way to protect your money and grow it smarter. If you want to invest wisely, avoid costly traps, and build real wealth, this video is for you. Watch till the end. One mistake here could save you a lifetime of regret. Like, subscribe, and let's get started. Most beginners think investing is about finding that one perfect stock that will make them rich overnight. They spend hours searching for the next big thing. But the honest truth is, real investing success comes from avoiding stupid mistakes, not from chasing winners. It's about defense, not just offense. The market has historically gone up over time, building wealth for millions. Yet, data shows the average investor still underperforms the market badly. Why is that? It's because beginners repeat the same psychological and strategic mistakes over and over again. They fall into the same traps. In this video, I'll break down 6 major investing mistakes. We'll split this into 3 parts: your mindset, your strategy, and your discipline. Let's start with part 1, the investor mindset. Mistake number 1 is fundamental: investing without a plan or a clear goal. You wouldn't drive without a destination, so why invest without one? Many beginners start investing without knowing why. Are you saving for retirement in 30 years? A house in 5 years? Or a vacation next summer? They jump in because their friends are talking about it, or they saw a TikTok video, and they have a fear of missing out. This is reaction, not planning. Without a plan, you have no anchor. When the market drops 10%, you panic. You switch strategies constantly, buying what's hot and selling what's not. Instead, sit down before you buy anything. Define your goal, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. A 20-year plan looks very different from a 2-year plan. Mistake number 2 is related: chasing quick money and hype. This is the get-rich-quick mentality that destroys more wealth than anything else. Social media loves to promote the next big stock or viral crypto coins. Stories of overnight millionaires make you feel like you're falling behind. But here's the danger: by the time you hear about it, the early investors have already made their money. You are becoming their exit liquidity. Real wealth grows quietly. It's boring. It compounds over years, not days. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Now let's move to part 2, the investment strategy. Mistake number 3 is investing in what you don't understand. As Warren Buffett says, never invest in a business you cannot understand. Many beginners buy stocks just because a YouTuber said so. They don't know what the company does, how it makes money, or what the risks are. When you don't understand the asset, you have no conviction. So when the price drops, you assume it's broken and you sell at a loss out of fear. Only invest in businesses you can explain to a 10-year-old. If you can't explain it, you shouldn't own it. Knowledge is your best protection. Mistake number 4 is poor risk management and no diversification. This is putting all your eggs in one basket. Beginners often fall in love with one stock. They put 50% or 100% of their money into it. But even great companies can face scandals, lawsuits, or failure. Diversification means spreading your money across different companies, sectors, and even countries. It ensures that one bad event won't wipe you out. Finally, part 3, the discipline. This is where most money is actually lost. Mistake number 5 is letting emotions and market noise control your decisions. Fear and greed are the investor's worst enemies. The financial news is designed to scare you. Market crash imminent sells ads. If you react to every headline, you will buy high and sell low every time. Don't try to time the market. Missing just the 10 best days in the market over 20 years can cut your returns in half. You have to be in it to win it. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount every month, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Remove emotion from the equation. And finally, mistake number 6, quitting too soon. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, but many quit at the first sign of a cramp. Markets go down. It's normal. If you quit during a downturn, you lock in your losses. You miss the recovery that almost always follows. Compound interest needs time to work. The biggest gains happen in year 10, year 20, year 30. You have to stay in the game to see them. Investing isn't about being a genius. It's about not being foolish. Before you go, I want to emphasize one crucial point about your investment journey. Real growth doesn't happen overnight. It certainly doesn't come without challenges. At Creative Impact, we believe your biggest setbacks can often become your greatest setups for success. We are dedicated to providing you with the insights you need to navigate these turbulent markets with confidence. It's easy to celebrate the wins, but character is built in the drawdowns. That's where the real learning happens. Remember, every smart investor learns from mistakes, but the smartest ones learn from other people's mistakes. That's why this community is so important. By sharing our experiences, we all get better together. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to invest smarter. Drop a comment below and tell me which investment mistake surprised you the most. I read every comment because I want to know what's on your mind. My name is Douglas, a member of Creative Impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.